Hello. Thank you very much. I got a comment or a question from Playboy Bones Z, and the question is, what happened to the rest of the video? Video that they're talking about is how to perform a disaster recovery on the Commserve. So this is a intro video basically, or sort of like a preview video. I give you some content video here for this particular one, and 14 minutes long, and then a couple steps setting up Commserve, and then I ask you to sign up for my course on Udemy to view the rest of it essentially, and that's why you don't see the rest of the video, in case you wanted to know. Watch the rest of the video. You can go to Udemy and search for Learn Backup and Restore with Commvault and get a high-paying job, and then you can click on the course and watch the rest of the video. Thank you very much for the comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you.